Hello there, Rob here again, and welcome to this hypnosis video for snoring. Who doesn't snore? Everybody snores. That's what I tell my wife. Okay, before we start, can I just remind you to put a thumbs up in the box below and favourite this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this is your big opportunity to do so. Also, visit me on Facebook at Rob's Hypnosis, and if you're a Twitter, find me on Twitter at RedNed4321. And of course, go and visit my website because I do post most days, and that's a good place to go. The links are down below. Okay, snoring. Okay, so I was asked a little while ago to do a video about snoring and if it's possible to cure snoring with hypnosis, and my first reaction was perhaps a bit difficult because it's there's lots of other factors involved in snoring. And so my first reaction was it's probably easier to help the snorer's partner or people who are affected by snoring to help them sleep better rather than to stop people snoring. But after having had this conversation with this lady, I've actually experimented with myself, and I've looked at other videos on YouTube, and I've actually tried it myself, and I was very surprised because I am, or I was, a snorer. My wife complains and nudges me sometimes, but I've actually tried this and it actually worked. So what's happened with me personally is, so obviously it depends on what is causing you to snore, but as far as I'm concerned, the snoring that I'm talking about is when you go to sleep, your muscles and everything in your throat and the back of your mouth relax, which causes or allows a vibration of your throat or whatever it is in the back. Anyway, so vibration of everything, and you end up snoring like this, and it's very difficult because also it can also cause you to stop breathing and all sorts of things, and you wake up because of it. You wake yourself up either because of the noise or because you cut off the air supply. So what I've discovered is this. Anyway, let's do it because it's very good, and I'm incredibly enthusiastic about it now. So find yourself somewhere to sit or lie down. So if you're sitting, uncross your legs and put your arms by your sides, either on the arms of the chair or with your hands on your knees or your thighs. If you're lying down on a bed or a sofa or wherever, lie on your back, uncross your legs and put your arms by your sides, unless of course this causes you problems, and then choose a better position which suits you better. Okay, close your eyes now, please. Close your eyes and think into your breathing. So just notice your breathing and just relax. Just relax. Just notice your feet and your toes and how they're positioned, and try to relax them as much as possible. And allow this heavy feeling in your feet now to flow up to your calves and your knees, and relaxing your knees as much as possible. And allow this heavy feeling now to flow into your thighs and into your hips and your tummy, into your chest, and up to your shoulders, allowing your shoulders to relax even more, and down the tops, in your upper arms, and your forearms, into your hands, and your fingers, relaxing your fingers as much as possible, feeling how heavy they are, and allowing this heavy feeling now to flow back up to your forearms, your upper arms, your shoulders, up your neck, and over your face, relaxing your mouth and your eyes, and allowing this heavy feeling to flow up to your forehead and to the top of your head and down the back of your head, down the back of your neck, down your back, and down the backs of your legs, and down into your feet. And allowing all your tensions and all your stresses and all your worries to flow out to the tips of your toes, and just allow yourself to let go, going deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed, feeling good, feeling good. And in a moment I'm going to count backwards from 10, and with each number I want you to allow yourself to relax more and more, and just let yourself go. So 10, 9, 8, relaxing, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just continue to go deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed, just letting go, just letting go. And what I want you to do now, I want you just to notice your breathing. So breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And whilst you're breathing, I just want you to notice your throat. Just noticing the back of your mouth and the position of your throat. And that the air is going in and out. Just noticing your windpipe. And you're noticing now that your throat and the part of you that normally vibrates when you become very relaxed, at the moment has a certain structure and has a certain support. And so you're breathing in and out, and there is no vibration. There's none of this noisy snoring. Just a calm in and out. And this is just the way you should be breathing when you go to sleep. You're nice and relaxed. You're nice and relaxed. But you're not over relaxed, and so the muscles in your throat still have a form, and they allow you to breathe smoothly and calmly. And as you're breathing, you're just noticing how nice and how pleasurable it is to breathe in and out, in and out. Nice and regularly, nice and calmly. But not with this vibration. There's no vibration. There's no noise, it's very silent. Just a calm sound, the in and out of your breath. And you're just breathing. And just continue breathing now. In and out. In and out. And as you're enjoying the sensation of having this calm breath in and out, very, very relaxing. As your subconscious mind is noticing that this is the way that you will now breathe. So even when you go into a deep, deep sleep, you will continue to breathe in the same way. And your muscles in the back of your throat will continue to give support and continue to give structure to your breathing. And so your throat is no longer flabby. Your throat is no longer over relaxed. And you're just noticing now that you're not snoring. You're just noticing now that your breathing is silent. And your subconscious mind accepts completely that this is the way you sleep. And from this moment on, you will always continue to sleep quietly and effortlessly. And your throat no longer vibrates, but you breathe in and out calmly and silently. And this is very, very comforting. And you notice that you sleep so much better. You're breathing in and out and noticing how quiet you are as you breathe. And even though you're becoming more and more relaxed, and your body is becoming heavier and heavier, you continue to breathe in the same way, calmly in and out, silently and effortlessly. Silently and effortlessly. Silently and effortlessly. In and out, in and out. Very peacefully. Just allowing your breath to be silent. Allowing yourself to enjoy relaxing, breathing in and out. Noticing your body's supporting